this? This is recording, but it's not focused. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. If you're new here, welcome. So today I bought a new something new. Ooh. Okay, I have to look here. I bought a new camera. We fancy out here. All right. I don't know how to use this yet, but today I'm gonna go on a couple errands and I just want to take you guys. I want to show you guys how the camera works and everything, and then I can do like a review on the camera after like using it a couple times. So I have the Sony ZV-1F, and I got it on Amazon, and I have the unboxing on my TikTok. Go follow my TikTok. I don't know what's going on. The camera keeps like what's it called, cutting on me. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go on YouTube and try to figure it out. Maybe it's the SD card. I did order an SD card, and this SD card is like a SD card I found at home that's almost full, so maybe that's what it is. But I'm gonna take you guys on a trip with me, and first stop is Staples. So actually I need to go to the bank first, so this is where I'm at right now. The lighting is not great. Ooh. Okay, the lighting is not great because it's been raining lately. So since yesterday, literally since last night, it's been raining. So I don't know what's going on, but it's been raining and I'm at the bank. Like I don't know if you can see it, but do you see the wind and how strong? Like I don't know, man. Should I go to Staples? I'm like questioning hard right now. Cause like look at the wind, crazy. Now I'm at Christmas tree shop. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm here because I'm looking for like a bin, a specific type of bin to put some products, because I am running out of space and stuff at home. So this is what I'm looking for right now. So something like this with the cover, but like I don't want it red, and I know they have other colors because I bought other colors last year. So yeah, I want this bin but not in red, so I'm gonna go keep looking around to see if I can find the correct color. So they don't have it, so I just put it back. Hopefully I can come back and get it again. But yeah, these covers, oopsies, so these covers, none of these covers match with this, so they don't have it. So I'm just gonna go. I do need to get someone a Christmas present, so that's what I'm about to go do now. So we're going to Burlington. It is packed, so many people. So I'm thinking to either get one of these. Oh, that's ugly. One of these maybe, or to get her like a hair care set. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, y'all. So I think I need to get one of these. I like those, so I'm trying to think between this one, oopsies, and this one, right? But for the present, I was thinking either this curling set or this body set, like body something, whatever it's called, set, right? So I don't know. I'm gonna call my aunt and see, because it's for like a girl at the church, so I'm gonna see what she says. And then I need some jojoba oil, and I want to try this. I've seen so many TikToks about Neutrogena Hydro Boosts, so it's $4, so I just want to try it and see. My thing is not on my focus, but yeah, it's $4, $4.99. Hydro Boost. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I am back in the car. It's like 5 million years later. Can you guys see me? It's like focusing on the steering wheel and not my face. But yeah, so this is the staples. I printed some creamy peaches labels right here, and I also printed some turmeric ones over there. So y'all, I need to get something for my camera to stand on. The only place it can stand on is the steering wheel. Yes, so I get my things online, and then I go to Staples and print them out. I find it a little cheaper, so that's why I've been doing that. And I also have like a couple stuff I can show you guys that I got from Burlington, but I'm gonna do that later. But now I'm kind of rushing because I gotta go to Target. My auntie called me and told me to go to Target to pick up like some vitamin C, some emergency, something like that, to pick that up for her. And then I have somewhere I have to be at 5, and it is 4:14, so yeah, we'll see. Going to Target, and then I'm gonna go to the church at 5. So y'all, the amount of traffic, crazy. But I am almost, how do I set this up so y'all can see me properly? I am almost at Target. I'm gonna go see if I can find that thing from my auntie. And I realized I like got all these Christmas presents. I don't have like little baggies to put them in, so I don't know if I have time to stop by Dollar Tree, but I'm gonna try my best to. Hopefully that thing is like right there, and then the self-checkout line is like short, but it's December 23rd, so I'm not gonna be surprised if there's a long line. Like, I waited 45 minutes at the Burlington one, so yeah. But yeah, so I will see you guys in Target, y'all. So I ended up set my exposure. I ended up having to like circle back and do a U-turn because it's already 4:30 and I gotta go to the church at 5, and we're trying to be on time. So there's literally cars like circling around Target. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm also like, man, this car, man, decided at this perfect time. I don't know if you guys can see the cars circling around Target, but yeah, no, we're not doing that. So I'm just gonna go back home, pick up my auntie so we can go to the church, and then after going to the church, I'm gonna come back to Target. Why is this zoomed on my face? Yes, after the church I'm gonna go back to Target, and I also have 2 more presents I need to get. I just don't know what to get these people, so like I gotta go back and see. Like, I was standing in the Burlington line, and I was like looking, like peeking my eyes, and like while I'm in line, and I don't know, I didn't find anything I really liked for them. So, but I did find something good for another person. So yeah, more traffic. Y'all already know. I'll see y'all at the church. Stopping at McDonald's to get some food. It's so windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's very windy. We are at the church. They got some Christmas decorations. So yeah, trying to film with one hand, but going into the church. I got my Mickey D's. We are setting up for the play tomorrow. Red tablecloths and green tablecloths. And then this little flower. It's on all the tables. This is not in the middle. All right. Yeah. I was trying this new Juvia's Place foundation, and so far so good. I did not put a lot on my face though, so I don't know, but so far I've been liking it. It matches my skin. The powder that I did put over was a little bit too dark, so I gotta go back and buy a lighter powder, or just keep using the one that I have. But yeah, so far I like it. And then I got a new eyeshadow palette as well, the Warrior 3 palette. So now I have the 1, 2, and 3, so I'm excited. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my mom and then go back to the church so we can finish and then go home, wrap some presents, and call it a night.